Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to create an e-commerce store. Chatgpt has revolutionized the way we use the internet, so why not use Chatgpt to make some money online? So the first thing you will need to do is go onto chat.openai.com. Once on this platform, you'll be able to access one of the most powerful AI softwares around. But the first thing I want you to do is type in this prompt. As you can see right here, I will be targeting the car niche. So all I'll need to do is copy and paste this prompt. And by the way, if you don't know the niche that you would like to target, you can use ChatGPT to do research. So for example, I want to get a name for my new e-commerce store. So I simply typed in my store sells products in the car niche. Provide me with 5 unique but catchy brand names I could call my store, a name related to cars. I simply paste that prompt in and I tapped on enter. After doing that, you can see the ideas that ChatGPT came up with. So you can see 5 different names that I could give my store right here. And to check if these names are available, or better if their domain name is available, all I did was copy each name and I went onto GoDaddy.com, and GoDaddy.com is a platform that persons can go on to purchase domain names. So all you would need to do is paste in the idea that ChatGPT came up with, then you are going to put the .com on the end and you'll simply tap on search to see if that domain name is available. If the domain name is available, you will be able to purchase it using Shopify or whichever platform you decide on. You can see that this one is available, but it would be for $69. So I can choose, or I can search for another one, for example, AutoHive. Let me copy that one. After copying that one, I'll simply paste it right here to see if it is available. Then I'll tap on enter again to search. So let's see if AutoHive is available. And again, you can see it is available for $69. But you can use ChatGPT, and I'm sure one of these names is available. After you have used ChatGPT to decide the name, all you'll need to do now is decide the platform that you would like to create your e-commerce store on. The platform that I would recommend for this example is Shopify. And the reason why I recommend Shopify is it is beginner friendly, it is quite easy to use, and you can also get started for free. And then they have a 3-month plan that you can use for $1 per month. So all you'll need to do is go onto shopify.com. Then from there, you are going to tap on Start Free Trial and you'll be able to start creating your e-commerce store. So now we know the name of our e-commerce store. The next thing we will need to know is what color or what theme we would like to use on our e-commerce store. So all I did was I'm going to ask ChatGPT what color does it think would be an eye converting combination. As you can see right here, what is a proven color combination for a store that tends to improve customer conversion. Also, please provide the hex codes for the colors you recommend. Then I tapped on enter. After doing that, you can see the prompt right here. When it comes to choosing the color combination for your store to improve customer conversion, there isn't a one-size-fits-all answers, as it can vary depending on your target audience, brand identity, and the specific emotions you want to evoke. But popular colors, as you can see right here, popular color combinations, you can see blue and orange. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this shade of blue. All I would have to do is copy the hex code. Once you have copied the hex code, you could paste it right here to see the shade of blue. All you'd have to do is paste it in the search bar. And this is the reason why I asked ChatGPT for the hex code, as given the platform that you are using, whether it is Shopify or you are using any other e-commerce provider, you'll be able to paste in the hex code and add the color. So you can see the shade of blue that it recommends right here. And if I were to go back onto it again, I can see the shade of orange that it recommends by simply copying the hex code right here and then pasting it again right here. So let me do that real quick. So you can see the shade of orange right there. So it recommends that shade of blue and that shade of orange, as that tends to be a very high converting color combination, as blue is often associated with trust, reliability, and professionalism, while orange conveys enthusiasm, energy, and creativity. The combination can create a sense of balance, reliability, and excitement. So you could use this color combination for your Shopify store or overall your e-commerce store. So now you know the name of your store and you also know the color design that you would like to use. So let's do some product research. So all I did was I'm going to ask Chatgpt, I'm starting a dropshipping store in the car niche. What are some trending but not saturated products that I could sell on my store for the summer season? Also provide me with 3 products that are popular year-round in the car niche. So let me paste in this prompt and see what ChatGPT comes up with. So let me do that real quick. Keep in mind that ChatGPT latest update is up to 2021 or 22 if I'm not mistaken. So you have to keep that in mind also, but it will come up with some good product ideas more than likely. As you can see right here, here are some good product ideas. So you can see one is a car sunshades, you can see car phone mounts, car air fresheners, and it all depends on the niche that you're in. You can use similar prompts to these. All you would need to do is change it from the niche, as I'm using at the moment the car niche as example. So after doing this, all you would need to do, for example, if I'm going to sell the car floor mats, I would simply copy this and I could go onto AliExpress. And once on AliExpress, I could paste in this product idea and I can look at the prices and I can also look at the conversions and so on to get an idea if this is a good product to target. So you can see it right here. So you are going to use AliExpress, and whether you use Shopify or any other e-commerce platform to create your e-commerce store, you will be able to use AliExpress products, or better yet, dropship AliExpress products. So once you have added the products, all you will need to do now is start creating ads. So whether you're going to be creating Facebook ads or you're going to be creating TikTok ads, you can also use ChatGPT for that. So for example, I created this prompt right here. What are the groups I should target? What are the groups I should target my ads towards with a product in the car niche? So let me go back onto ChatGPT and see what it recommends. So I simply paste in the prompt, then tap on enter. After doing that, let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So let's see right here. You can see the different groups right here. Car enthusiasts. You can see the different groups right here. Commuters and travelers, new car owners, DIY and car maintenance. And you can see outdoor and adventure enthusiasts. You can see DIY and car maintenance. So all you need to do now, you could fine tune this search by copying each one right here, and then you could break it down even more. You can target parents and families, eco-conscious drivers, as you can see right here. And remember to further narrow down your target audience based on demographics such as age, location, and gender, as well as their online behaviors and interests. Conduct market research and analyze your existing customer base to gain insights into your ideal target audience for effective and you can see right here, remember to further narrow down your target audience based on demographics such as age, location, and gender, as well as their online behaviors and interests. Conduct market research and analyze your existing customer base to gain insights into your ideal target audience for effective ad targeting. So you can see right there, and you can use it to do even more research if you want. All you have to do is come up with creative and direct prompts, as it all depends on the type of prompt or information that you and you can use Chatgpt to do even more research. Remember, all you have to do is type in direct and informative prompts into Chatgpt, and you'll be able to get the best response possible. So it all depends what you type in, and that's the response you'll be able to get. So if you want more information, type in more detailed prompts or ask more detailed questions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.